I'm going to show you how to add friends on Discord. Now, you want to open up your Discord app, but if you don't have it, just download it from the App Store or Play Store. Type in Discord and download it. If it's not updated to the latest version, as it is in my case, make sure it's updated. But let's go to the Discord. Now, you can go to a server, so I am part of Leonardo AI server, and if I go to the top right, I click on this image with like people, I can see all the users on here, and if I click on one, I can add them as friend if I click on this button. Now this is how to add them on a server. If that somebody is not on a server you are, you need to go to the top left on this message icon and then click on find or start conversation. Then type in the name of your friend, click on it, click on their profile image, and then click on add friend, and that's it. Now you have added them, and then you just need to wait for them to accept you, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.